Welcome back. Goa Catholic Welfare Association held a dharna in Panji opposing dates of IFFI's concluding ceremony. They have warned the government that they will ventilate their anger in upcoming assembly polls. They are demanding change in IFFI's concluding date, which concurs with the feast of St. Francis Xavier.
The Goa Catholic Welfare Association, along with other groups and some BJP activists, held a dharna at Captain of Port's jetty in Panji. They informed that the government has hurt sentiments of Goans by not changing the concluding date of IFFI.
Forget next year कोणे पळयला आता इलेक्शन हा फुडल्या वर्सा लोक चिंतलो कोणाक वोट करूंक जाय पळय तो कोण आमचे रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स पळय ताचेर पळय पांय घालता ताका ते खोट मारतले देखून हे पॉलिटिशियन पळय क्रिस्तांव पॉलिटिशियन जे मिनिस्टर आहात तांकां पयले आमचे क्रिस्तांव वोटर खोट मारतले हेच की नाका आमकां हे 8-9 पॉलिटिशियन पळय क्रिस्तांव तांणी कितें केलें कांय ना ओगी बसले.
First year, they put IFFI during these days because they did not know how many people would come for IFFI. So they put it when the time everybody comes to Goa. Why were they coming to Goa? To honor the Francis Xavier. And now so many years have passed, they keep up the same thing. Why? So let this be protected. We don't want anything that we interfere with.
Our reporter Lokesh Shilkar, with journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The Digambar Kamath Get Well Soon members released another film on Keri Hi Hera Feri. This movie was released following leader of opposition's complaint against Pratap Singh Rane, Luigino Falero and Babu Kavlekar in the alleged scam of SEZ land allotment. The members said that they will continue their agitation and highlight the MOI issue.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar released the film on Keri Ki Hera Feri along with BJP leader Vishnu Wagh. Parrikar informed that collection of all the posters should acquire form of a book. He also said that we should protect our Konkani language.
एका पोस्टराचेर 10,000 ऑटोमॅटिक आयल्या PPP प्रेजेंटेशन मुन्ना बाबा MBBS सगळी भितर म्हाका दिसता हे आयली भाशेची महत्व कितें हे म्हाका दिसता सबंद फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक आयिल्ल्या फॉरेनरा पासून इंडियनांक सगळ्यांक पावल्ले आसा आनी तांकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा पोर्तुगीज भाशा सुद्दां पोर्तुगालाक चलता इंग्लीश चलना जर्मनीक इंग्लीश चलना.
The members informed that they will use every event as a medium to highlight the medium of instruction issue. They will also protest on 19th December. A video journalist in Panji, Sushant Pearl.
Shopkeepers of Madgaon have alleged that the Madgaon municipality officials of negligence. They said that they were not informed about the repair work of the roof tiles of the new building in Madgaon. The shopkeepers suffered a loss of up to 20,000 rupees.
The new building in Madgaon is under repair. The building is a structure with one floor. The first floor is mostly used by the shopkeepers as godown and to store their non-perishable commodities. But the sudden rain during past few days created a mess. The rainwater entered the godown, spoiling the goods stored.
हे सगळं अख्खे उदक उरून आमकां सांगली बिल्ली काय ना ताणी कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पळय काम करता ताणें वयर नळी बिळी काडून काय घाल ना 3-4 दिसां फाटीं येयलो ना ताणें कांय प्रॉब्लेम नाशिल्लो आज हांव जो म्हाल व्हरपा आयलो सगळें अख्खी वीम आनी टायड बी सगळी भिजून काबार जवळ 20,000 तरी आसतले ते टोटल.
Shopkeepers said that the roof tiles of the building were disassembled for repairs, but the Madgaon municipality authorities did not inform the shopkeepers about the repair work, thus leaving the shopkeepers in agony.
Municipality, it is their duty to inform the people properly. बाबा कितलो टाइम वयतलो आतां सपोज हे ओपन केलें दवरलें 1 म्हयनो 2 म्हयने दवरलें आमकां कशें कळटलें टाइम बाउंड सांगपा जाय न्हू बाबा अमक्या दिसा भितर जातलें म्हणून तेन्ना आमच्यान कितें वी कॅन टेक प्रिकॉशन.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
People from Raya and Rashol under the banner of Zagrut Raikaranso Awaz held a meet to oppose the proposed Shiroda Bridge demarcated in RP 2021. They have demanded scrapping of the proposal to construct the bridge.
People in large numbers attended a meet in Santemol Raya to oppose the proposed Shiroda Bridge. They fear that construction of the bridge will lead to demolition of houses and religious structures along the way.
This bridge is a corridor. देखून एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शकता रायच्या गांवांक कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार जेन्ना एक कॉरिडॉरांतल्यान ट्रॅफिक सारकें मोल्यां सान सावंड्या सान सारको फुडें मागीर शिरोडा थ्रू येवन वास्को वचपाचो एक रूट जातलो आनी जो नॅशनल परमीट ट्रक आनी व्हडले व्हडले गाडयो जो आतां सद्याक उसगांव तिस्क उसगांव सान पोंडा येता आनी मागीर वास्को बी वयता ते मागीर शॉर्टकट म्हणून सगळे ह्या वाटेन येवपाक लागतले एक व्हडलो कॉरिडॉर जातलो आज सद्याक आमचे रिजनल प्लॅनान हो जो रस्तो 15 मिटर म्हणून म्हणला आसा जो आमचे मेन रोड राय आहा ते फुडें फुडें मागीर फुडल्या रिजनल प्लॅनान ते काडटले आनी MDR ना जाल्यार स्टेट हायवे म्हणून डिक्लेअर करतले.
The bridge is a means to connect Rashol to Shiroda over Zuari River. Presently, people commute via ferry boats. People fear health hazards due to pollution and traffic congestion.
ही ब्रिज येयली म्हणटूच हे रस्ते जे उशीर आसात ते 25 ते 30% किलोमीटर वाडटले आनी हे वाडले म्हणटूच लोकांची बाबडी घरां थोड्या कडेन जागे उणे आसात दुर्गांक लागून उणे आसात आनी ही दुर्गां घरां सडासड मोडून उडयतले तितलेंच न्हय ही ट्रॅफिक इतली वाडटली.
A reporter in Raya, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.